Welcome to Rustbuster's installation guide for Toyota's 2005 to 2015 Tacoma. Before we begin, if you're uncomfortable with any of the processes listed in this guide, we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you're following all the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery and inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Prepare or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Lift up your vehicle. Remove your fuel tank and fuel tank strap. Cut out the rivets retaining your factory forward fuel tank crossmember. Then, punch out the rivets using a punch. You can cut your crossmember in half to make it easier to remove. Step 3. After removing the factory crossmember, you will need to cut and remove the structural piece of metal that is bent upwards on the innermost section of your frame rail. You will only need to do this on one side of your vehicle. This will allow your crossmember to slide into place. Set the piece of metal aside. Then, grind the frame free of rust and debris, revealing bare metal. Step 4. Slide your replacement forward fuel tank crossmember onto the frame using the frame holes to help with the alignment. Tap it into place using a hammer. Once aligned, screw the included hardware into place on the top and bottom of your frame rail. Then, tighten your hardware with a 14mm socket and 15mm wrench. Step 5. After installing the included hardware, take the structural piece of metal you removed earlier and hold it up to the frame where the piece was originally located. Following proper welding procedures, tack weld your metal piece onto the frame before welding it on fully. Finally, paint the part with primer or other rust inhibitor to help prevent or reduce the risk of rust formation. We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint. Reinstall your fuel tank and its strap with the included hardware. Then you're done!